Hi, my name's Deb Roth, and I am a psychic, medium, and a healer, also a certified life coach. And I've been telling you about my upcoming transformation workshop, Thriving in the Midst of Change. So, today I wanted to touch on some more real life experiences that I've gone through for the last year. Um, One of them being my lifelong friend of 62 years. We've known each other since we were 5. We grew up right next door to each other. She was part of our family. She was diagnosed with cancer, and for this last year, she was diagnosed right at the beginning. I was not allowed to touch her. I was allowed after about 3 months or so to go into her house, but we always had our masks on, and it was excruciating to not be able to touch her at the end of her life. And so, I tell you that because I'm sure some of you out there have had to go through that. We've all had so many great losses during this time of COVID. The other event that happened was my son was supposed to get married to Precious Emily, and they had to postpone and postpone. It finally happened, but boy, did it look different than we expected. And it was a very small event with none of my family members except for my grandkids and my other kids. So I just tell you these experiences so you can see that I can relate to your stuff that you're going through, and I hope you check out this workshop. Change is just a fact of life. It's always going to be here. It's constant. And the sooner we learn to deal with change and to step into embracing it, the better life we're going to, positive life we're going to have. So join me. Thank you.